What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be my second weekend vlog for this school semester, and today is a Sunday. And here's my schedule for today. I'm not a lot, but still, have some things to do, right? And I'm starting my day with the morning mass as always, right? Sunday morning mass. And after that, I'm gonna get some brunch at the cafeteria, and then coming back to my room, do some cleaning and trash out. And then I'll be doing some working, some church jobs and then other things to do. And then I also have an evening mass, right? The 7 p.m. mass. I have 2 mass on Sunday during the school semester. So yep, and that's it, the evening mass. And after that, I'll be finishing my day with doing some studying. So yeah, so a lot of things to do here, right? So yeah. All right, I need to get ready for the morning mass. So I want to get ready to go for church. So alright, let's go out to the church, guys. Alright, you can see that I'm walking to the church for the morning mass. It's really chilly today. It's really kind of cold. It feels like definitely the fall weather. I wear my jacket and then wear the long pants. It's kind of cold in the morning here, so yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in the church. Alright, you can see that I'm in the church. It's almost time for the morning mass. I'm playing flute and I'm also playing piano solo piece for the prelude, so yeah. Alright, I will see you guys after the morning mass. Alright, just finished the morning mass, and you can see that there's a lot of people also outside in the church. And we were doing some children's events with some donuts and some snacks, so yeah. Alright, I'll get some snacks and I will see you guys pretty soon. Alright, just finished the morning mass. Today, as you saw, part of my mass video, I played the prelude music for piano solo. And yeah, it was beautiful music. And the weather, because of the weather, is kind of, now it's warm, but because earlier in the morning was really cold. My flute was really worried today. And that was same for my friend Mary, right? It's like we were both worried, a lot of water in the flutes. I was like, keep wiping up, and then but still a lot of water, so the flute sound was a lot of watery today, which is kind of, makes sense, but I survived it, so yeah. And now you can see that I'm walking to the cafeteria to get a brunch, right? So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in the cafeteria. Alright, here's my brunch for today. Got some nice breakfast sandwich. Also got some pasta, and then got some soup with the broccoli. Some nice food. Right? Alright, I get some food. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, just got some nice brunch, and then now you can see that I'm walking back to my room. I just need to do some cleaning and trash out before, I'm doing some working. So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in my room, and let's do some trash out and cleaning. Alright, you can see that I'm in my room now. I just need to do some trash out. You can see that I have a recycling and then also some regular trash bag that I need to throw them away. So yeah. Alright, let's walk out for trash out. Alright, consider I'm outside for the trash out. It's nice weather, here's my trash. So really nice weather today, so yeah. Definitely a little bit tired, it's Sunday and tomorrow's Monday, so back to classes again, right? So yeah. But again, it's my senior year, so this semester going is actually really flying. Tomorrow is already the 3rd week of classes. Wow, it's really cold, getting closer to the middle of September now, so yeah. Alright, I will see you guys up in my room. Let's do some cleaning now. Alright, I just finished some cleaning and then also trash out, and then you can see that my floor is definitely much cleaner, you know, nice and shiny, right? Kind of also nice and clear, right? Nice and clean. So yeah. Alright, right now it's about almost 1 p.m. So, you know, before I do some working, I'm gonna take some little bit of relax, you know, it's a weekend. So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys pretty soon. Let me take some relax. Alright, just got some nice relax and then took some nap. Of course, you know, it's a weekend. So, and right now it's about 4:30 p.m. So I took about, you know, about actually 2 hours nap, which kind of long nap, but I was, you know, kind of tired. So yeah. Alright, I just need to do some working, you know, before I walk to church. And then actually there's a dinner in the cafeteria. You know, starting this year they do serve the dinner on the weekend as well. So I might get some dinner before I go to church as well. So yeah. Alright, let's do some quick working and then grab dinner and then walk to church. Alright, just finished my afternoon working, and then now I'm on my way to the cafeteria to get dinner, and then I will walk straight to the church for the evening mass. So yeah. Nice weather, you know, it's amazing. Alright, I will see you guys in the cafeteria. Alright, here's my dinner for today. Got some nice salads and also got some meats and some potatoes. So yeah. Alright, I will get some food and see you guys soon. Alright, just got some nice dinner and then now I'm on my way to church for the evening mass. The one more mass to go for today. So yeah. Alright, let's see how many singers that we have today, you know. So yeah. So alright, I will see you guys in the church. Alright, I'm back at church for the evening mass. I'm playing flutes again. I do have my friends Maddie joining us. That's amazing. So yep. Alright, I will see you guys after the evening mass. Alright guys, just finished the evening mass and now I'm actually walking to the Ads Cafe to get some snacks actually. So, you know, and to get a drinks too, you know, finish my weekend. So yeah. Alright, let's get some drinks at the Ads Cafe. Right, I'm at the Ads Cafe. I'm here to get some drinks and I'm waiting my orders to coming out. So yeah. Alright, let me get my drinks and I will see you guys pretty soon. Alright guys, I just got my drinks, hot chocolate. Yeah, I didn't get coffee because it's too late for that. And then I have class tomorrow, right? So yeah. Nice hot chocolate to finish my weekend, right? So yeah. So good. I love hot chocolate. It's my favorite. So yeah. And now I'm walking back to my dorm, my room, to do some little bit of, you know, studying. You know, I don't have an exam, but I'm going to review my notes for vocal diction. We are running the English diction. So yeah, just going to review my quick notes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then tomorrow, you know, I'm going to review some more and more. So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in my room. Right, just came back from outside and then I also did some of my work. So that means I'm all done for today and all done for this weekend. So yeah, I did have some really nice weekend, right? So, you know, had some nice relax yesterday, and then also had a, you know, morning mass, and then got some nice relax and did some cleaning, right? So yeah. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this, my second weekend vlog, right? You know, there'll be more and more, you know, the school year just started, so there'll be more and more. And also the school vlogs will keep moving forward, right? So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna close this video. If you enjoy it, make sure you push the subscribe button, like button, and then notification button so you can notice them when I upload a new video every time, okay? Then I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful night, and see you guys in the next video. Adios.